Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what we dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so let me do a quick look. I have all these McGrath palettes and I'm like, girl, these palettes are expensive. You need to use them. But I didn't know where they were for a second, but now I do. So now we're gonna use them. So I'm gonna use Mothership 4 or 6. Okay, let us go in with this brush. This is a T87 from Makeup Shack. And let's go into this shade right here. And I'm gonna put this right here. Actually, I'm gonna put it all over my lid. We'll see. But my McGrath shadows just blend. It's like there's no, you know, difficultness. It's just blends. Just blend it nicely. And I just want a little bit of glitter glue. This palette looks like I used it once. I actually found one of the other ones, but it has a little bit in here, so I'm just trying to like finish this up. But that I know I have some, I just don't know where they are. Just don't know where they are. And now I'm gonna take this Crown brush C417. It's a chubby shadow brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, all over the shadow that I just put on here. And just keep blending it, guys, to make it look nice and just clean. And then I'm just gonna go to the edges and just blend this some more. This is a clean brush with no product in there. No product. Because I want to make the inner corner not so harsh. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. So I primed my face and I'm using the One Size Secure the Blur primer and my regular HudaBeauty FauxFilter concealer in you know, color corrector, sorry, in mango. Now I'm going to use this foundation. It's Vanish from Hourglass, and my shade is Golden Amber, I think. This should, yep, this foundation is so good. This shade is definitely my summer shade, which is perfect because I'm a little, you know, darker now. This is so pretty. I have to go like kind of in the corner of my nose and work that in there. I feel like this makes my face look a little bit yellow, but it's fine. It is fine. Cause I feel like I'm kind of maybe in between shades a little bit, but these shades are my summer shades are the one that matches me the closest right now. and concealer. Oh my god, I literally just went blank. I'm gonna use the HudaBeauty FauxFilter concealer. Is it concealer too? Oh, this is corrector, and then this is concealer, and then my shade is Graham Cracker or Graham Cracker. I'm gonna use Terracotta from ABH. And this is on a E34 from Morphe. Get a little bit closer to my hairline. When I'm battling a cold again, I feel like I'm getting a cold like every week. Like a new one. Like I get one, it goes away. And the next week I have another one. But I've been kind of lapsing on my vitamins. I think I need to do something about that. Ain't nobody trying to be sick like this. Then we're just gonna blend this out. Make sure you go in the crease of your nose right here, because for some reason for me, and that might not be the case for everybody, but like right here tends to like separate a bit more. So some people even do kind of like shift their nose, but I can pretty much like go right here and be fine. Then I'll take my contour brush just to like mirror here, or not mirror here, sorry, to just mesh everything together so it doesn't separate. And then let's go in here and blend this concealer. I don't know, I feel like I like blending my concealer with a brush. I used to like to do it with a sponge, but I feel like the sponge takes away some of this. So, and then I'm gonna take this and just like right here. That's my contour brush. This looks nice. This is like just kind of meshes like right here. Now we're gonna go into this eye, or not into this eye, to this eye. This is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And let us set the rest on my face. I'm gonna use this Cola powder. I don't even know if they carry that. They used to carry that, I think, at Sally's. That's why I got this. But it's just one of those things too, like I have it and I need to, you know, use it to get it. I try not to use stuff that's like discontinued, because you know, if you guys like it, you can get it, you know. Because this is such a good powder, but I don't know, I need to check on Sally's website and see if they still have it. It's like, it's called Cola because I think a lot of like, well, not a lot, but some influencers kind of came together and make that powder. I think it was sold on their website, or if it was only sold at Sally's, not sure, but that's where I got it. I've had this for a minute, so I'm not sure if they still carry it. I don't really go to Sally's like that because I don't really buy like hair stuff. I don't know. Don't really go there that much. My lips clean because that's what we're gonna do our dupe Friday, so I'm just gonna, you know, make sure it's perfect. Not perfect, but you know what I mean, like, you know, it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go in here. This is the same palette that I use. I think I'm gonna just use the dark shade, that the base, and then in the like right here, and then just use the purple below, like right here. And is this brush gonna be too big? Oops. Good catch, girl. So this is the same brush I use for my lid. Yep. Let us go ahead and bronze the face. I'm using this powder. This is actually, it's a foundation powder from One Size, but I just get a really dark shade, and that's what I use for my contour or bronzer. So I just get this shade, it's darker than my regular foundation shade. See, but it works perfect for this. So this is how you use your products for multiple things. I could also use that as an eyeshadow if I'm trying to do like a quick no makeup look kind of thing. Or what you can just use to kind of blend it up, it's your powder brush. I feel like this eye look is pretty simple. I didn't really use two eyeshadow colors or shades too. This is from House Labs and it is Watermelon Bliss. So love this done, and then let us go with a little bit of highlighter. Just a little bit. Let's use Flexitarian from Colourpop. This is actually broken, but and this is from Luna Magic. Take a little brush it. Hey, but it still works, right? So okay, so let us jump into our dupe Friday. So today we're gonna dupe out the JUVIA'S Place Luxe Liners in shade Scorpio and the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in shade Free, like Free Burgundy. So let's talk a little bit about this, you know. So the Makeup Forever is $24. And it says it's a makeup artist swanning over this incredible 39 shade multi matte finish color pencils, from monochromatic looks to multicolored masterpieces. We can't get enough of the versatility they provide. It says you can enjoy it with the power of the artist's pencils. Each of the 39 high pigmented pencils can be utilized on the eyes, brows, cheeks, lip line, or face. From smoky eyes to trendy graphic designs with intricate details, these matte finish pencils can truly do it all. The JUVIA'S Place one is $10, and it's 39 shades versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. So you know the shade range is a little sus, but you know what? It's $10, and it says JUVIA'S Place Luxe Lip is a long-wearing pencil that glides seamlessly to define and fill in the lips. It is perfect for use with JUVIA'S Place Velvety Matte Lipstick, blah blah blah. But we won't be using that today because that would be, you know, an unfair advantage, you know. But yeah, so let's give her a word. $24, $10, so $14 difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my bottom lip with this, the JUVIA'S Place one. They're pretty close in shade, so most likely you won't be able to see the difference. Well, that's my hope. So I'm always used to like tapping my lip. Don't do that. So that is the JUVIA'S Place. Went on seamlessly. I need to clean it out. And then on the top, I'm gonna put the Free Burgundy from Makeup Forever. I think they're very similar in shade, so I think that's pretty close. And for the gloss, I'm gonna go ahead and use matte lip gloss from ABH. Perfect. So yeah, Okay, so question of the day. I need to do this quick. Is this a dupe? 100%. They glide on the same way. Spend $10 and save yourself that $14, girl, because I know things are really expensive right now, and they work the exact same way. They're creamy, they are pigmented, they are amazing. So yes, it's 100% a dupe. So that's it, guys, for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.